In this episode, I'm going to show you how to get the measurements and angles of the plan in case they are not written down. Let's get started. Today my steel fabricator asked me to confirm the measurements and angles on the drawing. And I was thinking, that might be a good idea for a video. If he's not sure, maybe some of you guys need help as well. So let me show you. Alright, let's have a look at the drawing together. The first thing you need to check is the scale. So in this case, scale is 1 to 5. That means 1 unit on the drawing is 5 in the real life. The other thing you need to check, it says scale at 8:3. So you have to print the drawing in 8:3. If you printed it any other format, you are cooked. You won't be able to get any measurement right. So let's check it. This distance here is 80 mil. 80 times 5 equals 400. So we're gonna mark this as 400. Let's try to make it parallel. Is 80 mil as well. So 400 also. This one here is really important. That height from here to here. This one is 44. 44 times 5 equals 220. Let's get this one. This height is 116 times 5 equals 580. And then we have to mark up to the weld. It is 46. 46 times 5, 230. $70 times 5, 350. Now, let's get the angles. The easiest way to get the angles is like this. Okay, this angle is 86. Okay, let's say that this one is 94. And then we have an angle here. $176. Let's say 172. From this one to this one, it's 90, as you can see. And this angle here is 86 degrees. So now, that's it. Pretty simple and straightforward once you know what you're looking at. One more thing, R60. You might be asking, what's R60? Well, let me show you. R60 means radius 60. And how do you get that? Well, we're gonna draw 60 mil. It's normally easier to draw a circle than this, but the paper is moving a lot. Oh, we're gonna get scissors. We'll cut it out. All right, I've picked up the bench bracket. It looks good, I can't lie. So here it is. The guys told me they had issue bending it. It is too thick, so they'll have to figure out another way to do it. They'll probably need to get the bigger machine or something like that. So not all the angles are 100% accurate because they had some issue with bending it. We're gonna double check the angles because after all this is a test one and we have 193 to make, so it's gonna be fun. All right, let's check what they've done. This one is 210, 400, 340, that's close. 565. 225 to the bend. Let's check the angles. Should have been a bit more. That one should have been an 86. So that one's too much. That has to come up, which is not going to be a problem to fix. What about this one? Yeah, this one's not that bad. And this one should be less. This one should be 94 and it's 97. So yeah, they'll have to fix up the angles a little bit, but it's not a big deal. After all, this is a test one. We got R60. What are we gonna do with it? Well, let me show you. That's R60. This one is much better. That is R60. I've shown you how it looks on paper and how it looks in real life. Hopefully you've learned something, you've liked the episode. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.